Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Verst here, and today we're going to be starting the brand new series on how to build a Minecraft server. So in this sort of series, we're basically going to be building the server and just sort of showing you guys how you can put together your very own server. I will, of course, at the end of this, be leaving a download link to the full server setup, and this should hopefully help you guys out on building your very own bucket server. So as you guys can see, I'm currently on the server which I literally just made. It's just a local host server, but you guys can use this or you can port forward or whatever. But I'm not going to be doing that in episode 1 today. I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can build the server and put it together so that you can actually invite people to join it. Now there are many other programs such as Hamachi which you can use, but they can put nasty stuff on your computer, so I'm not going to be using them. And yeah guys, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay then guys, so first of all, this is obviously going to be on a Mac. I will be doing a Windows tutorial shortly when I get my new PC. But first of all guys, what you're going to want to do is come to your desktop and just literally make a new folder. So you can just press Command Shift and N, or you can right click and new folder. Now we're just going to move this over here. We're going to go rename, and we're just going to call it Minecraft server because it's just a simple name and it's just easy to locate then. And then we're going to be needing a few different files, so if we quickly go into Google Chrome here, both of these links will be down below. So getbucket.org, and then download either CraftBucket or Spigot. I'm going to be using CraftBucket, so I suggest that you guys would follow this as well. So we're going to be downloading that, and it's just going to take us here, and there we go. So straight away, there we go. Now we can close this. And we're also going to want to go to this, which will also be down below, and we're just going to want to go down and look for the operating system which you're on. So I'm on Mac OS, so I'm going to be copying this, and then we can also close this. So we're going to go into the folder, and we're going to drag in the craftbucket.jar folder, and then we're going to be wanting to go into text edit, if I find it. Okay, text edit, and then we're going to get the format and make plain text so that the console will be able to read this better later. And then just paste in the code which we copied. And now we're going to need to change this slightly, so you're going to want to get the exact name of this. So if we just go to rename, we can actually just copy that. And then here, we're just going to get rid of everything before the .jar and paste in the name of the folder. So this is craftbucket-1.12.jar. So now the console will be able to read this. We're going to press Command and S, and we're going to save it as let's say start and then .command, and you must save it as .command, otherwise it will not work. And then go to your server and literally just save it in there. And there we go. There we've got the start command there. Guys, so now you're going to want to go up into the search bar and just type in terminal. Now this is basically the command prompt of Windows but on a Mac, and what we're going to want to do here is type chmod space a plus x and then space, and then you're going to want to drag in the start file and press enter, and now it's going to go blank, and then we can just close this and we can double click the start file. So now as you guys can see, if it says loading libraries, then it works fine. And now it's going to load in the EULA and stop. So basically what we need to do now is open this up and change the EULA to true. And then we can just press Command and S again to save that. Now if we start the server again, what will happen now is it's going to load the game up fully. And as you guys can see, all of this just started to appear. So I'm actually just going to clean up this, make it in a bit more order, and then as you guys can see, preparing spawn area. And as soon as it says done, that means that the server is online and we can join up. So now we've got done here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to head on over to the Java or Minecraft, sorry, and I'll just make that full screen. We'll go multiplayer, direct connect, and here you're just going to want to type in localhost and join server. If you are port forwarding or using Hamachi, then put in the appropriate IP address. And as you guys can see, now we're on the server. So as you guys can see, if we do try and do /game mode C to go into creative, we won't be able to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to terminal again, or the start file. I'm going to do OP and then your name, and you do not need to use a slash because it is command prompt, so it's automatically a command anyway. And there you have it, guys. This is the Minecraft server all set up. Now next video we're going to be adding plugins in, since it is a bucket server. And yeah, I really hope this helped you guys. If it did, then make sure to hit that like button if you want to see more of these. I'm going to be making a plugin tutorial straight after this because I want to get the channel going. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, which you probably will be. But yeah, have a nice day, guys, and I will see you in the next one.